Busy a bit of a day, bit of a busier day this morning because I've got to go get my windscreen replaced. So I've got to drive to there, get that sorted, and then I've actually got to walk somewhere because I've got to leave my car there for 2 hours, don't get another car, and then off to the warehouse. So yeah, I'm not sure how this is going to go, but hopefully not too bad. I'm trying to record this with the back camera, so we'll see how that's going as well. It's just like that, we're in the warehouse. It's actually nearly the end of the day. We have, well, you're going to have to stop looking at me. I can't do it while you're looking at me. It's awkward. Chloe's finished off the Whatnot live streams, and we're just packing it out now. Will's just over there at the back. I've got like another hour in here. I need to do some content because obviously I'm going away this weekend, so I need to do some content for when I'm in Scotland and get it scheduled up and stuff like that. And then obviously it's just back to work normal next week. But I'm freezing, and I'm sure Will's cold as well. Will, you cold?
Fucking freezing.
Will's freezing too. So yeah. I'm not sure what I'm doing later. You'll find out. And 30 minutes later, me and Will have completed the Whatnot orders. Are we winning, Will?
Are we winning?
He's dying, but we need to record some content now.